Using pattern strategies makes solving ratio and proportion word problems simpler. All proportion word problems contain a pattern. Finding the pattern will make it possible to model the problem. When we read this problem, we can see that the crafter uses beads to make a pattern. Blue bead, blue bead, blue bead, yellow, yellow. Every time there are 3 blue beads, there are also 2 yellow beads. But what if we don't want to know about when there's 3 blue beads? What about if there's 12 blue beads? How many beads will also be yellow? We can continue the pattern, adding more beads until there are 12 blue beads. Now we can see that there are a total of 8 yellow beads when there are 12 blue beads. Some problems use much larger numbers that would be difficult to model. For example, what if we wanted to know how many yellow beads she would need if she had to use a total of 75 beads to fill the necklace? This would be a difficult model to create. Instead, we will use a type of model called a strip diagram. In this strip diagram, we will use boxes to represent the beads. You can see that there are 5 boxes total, 1 for each bead. Blue, 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 yellow, yellow, blue beads, and yellow beads. That's a total of 5 beads. We can use information from the problem to replace parts of the model. We know that there needs to be a total of 75 beads. If we place 75 as the total, and then split it among the 5 boxes, 75 divided by 5 is 15, so we place a 15 in each of the boxes. If we do that, we can now figure out that the total number of yellow beads is 30. Because 15 plus 15 is 30, or 15 times 2 is 30.